sucesso tu vai ganhar, quer mídia tu vai ganhar. Pra você ter que fazer tudo que os faixas mandar. TikTok, quer ficar famosa, pra ganhar ibope. Vai ficar ganhar ibope. Quer ficar famosa, sei lá, irmão. Pra você ter que fazer tudo que os faixas.
Green image ready. Go aspect ratio, then select 2.35.1. Zoom into green image so it covers full screen. Overlay an image, then go crop and select 1.1. Position the image to the left. Overlay another image and do same crop process, then position it next to the previous image. Once you've overlaid all your images, duplicate the first image, then hold on it and slide it under. Go adjust, then graphs on first overlay. Drag the line as I do. Put white and blacks on 50. Zoom into the first overlay to create a white border and repeat this process to all images. Export it. Get a black image ready that's in the 1.1 aspect ratio. Overlay the exported clip, then remove background and chroma key. Pick green color, then intensity 50. Zoom into the overlay. Add a keyframe start and a keyframe a bit later. Make overlay normal size on first keyframe. Drag overlay to the left on second keyframe. Add a keyframe later, then drag the overlay to the right. Add a keyframe at end and zoom into an image. Go graphs, then put cubic in between first keyframes. Put ease between next keyframes. Put quad or cubic out between last keyframes. Go effects, then wide angle. Go object, then select overlay. Adjust the intensity to your liking. Export it. Import the exported clip into a new project, then go motion blur. Put blur and blend on 30, direction forward, times on 4.
Sucesso tu vai ganhar.